Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Welcome back, guys!
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the journey.
So, what are we doing today?
We're hitting it out of the ballpark today.
Oh, yeah.
First, we got to start off by moving all this stuff to the truck so we can go put it in the portable garage at the property. So, let's get busy.
So, what are you tackling?
Rocks.
Rocks. Okay. And I'll be doing the metal. Or at least the metal sheets so far.
Yeah.
So, I'll be loading them up to the trailer. What are you going to be doing? Where are you loading them to?
I am going to be moving rocks and setting them up onto one of the concrete slabs. But at first, I got to clean it.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know.
Domestic duties.
I know, right?
Go and start sweeping
Wah,
it.
wah, wah. But anyway, let's chitty chat and more.
Cleaning time.
Work time.
Oh. Yeah.
All right.
That.
Let's get busy.
My lovely side piece here.
Yes, I am.
So, not only did we separate metal and rocks, we also put some wood in the wood pile there.
As you can see in the distance.
Soon to grow even bigger and bigger so we can have a little bonfire.
Yeah, for our pyro.
And we picked up some trash as well along the way. So every time we do this, we're going to be throwing this trash into the big trash cans here in town.
Yep.
So, yeah.
And I'll go through and I'll kind of show you also what we were doing.
Yeah.
What she was talking about.
My metal pile, everybody.
Let's go take a look.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All of this was like 89% me.
Yep.
89.9999.
Majority.
Yeah. And the hubby helped with some heavy stuff that we had there. So we'll be taking this into whatever scrapyard is willing to accept it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Try to get some money back.
Yeah.
But we can keep.
At least for a burger, right? I mean, Judy's burgers here are awesome.
Yeah, pretty good.
But yeah. So what else, baby?
All right. Well, I guess you guys saw me picking up some rocks, so I can go, I guess, show you that.
I am fighting with my gloves. I don't know why I'm putting them back on, but I am. So I'm following the hubby. Woo-hoo. Babe, what'd you do?
So, yeah, up here, basically just cleaned off the concrete slab. This is another scrap pile of metal.
Don't worry, he didn't clean this part up, or else we'll be like, what? He didn't do nothing? And she did everything? I'm playing.
No, but this was just to be able to have an option if we wanted to be able to put any type of storage up here. It's cleaned off. That's the biggest reason for that, of why I did that. And then down the end, you can see I got a pile of rocks.
Mind your step.
So
don't fall, Gladys.
We are going to be going through and trying to keep every single rock that we can. But down here, I was trying to free up a lot of metal that was actually stuck over here off to the side. Along with, you can kind of see water is flowing now.
Oh, you made a little pathway there. Yeah, I didn't see that.
It was trapping water kind of up here behind the slab. Mm-hmm. And now that I've moved some of those rocks, the water's actually starting to flow to get rid of that water.
Nice. Yeah, because then it just disperses over there and it's like, yo, what are you doing? So eventually we're going to do a little path so it can, end up at the edge of the property and then it'll just flow down that way. So it'll connect to the little creek.
Yeah, because we'll do like French drains and stuff like that to be able to get rid of water.
Woohoo! So yeah. So far so good, babe. So yeah. Oops, sorry, I'm taking y'all for a spin here. Please, no one gets seasick or nauseous. But we still have a lot of metal to deal with.
A lot of metal.
A lot of metal. That means, I need a couple of energy drinks. But yeah.
More hands would be nice.
It's kind of nice though, just digging through all of this. And it's crazy because you still have wood in there that is not burned. And like I just saw like a bottle of mouthwash and I'm like, babe, why didn't that burn in the fire?
I don't know.
Oh, no. So we're just like, digging through stuff. I mean, the frame to the trailer's over there and that thing's all bent up, but we can't move it to release some of this metal here.
Be safe. So be safe. All right, they're rolling out. So this is just a quick little, snippet of what we did. Came up here on Easter Sunday. Yep, we're staying busy. Even on the weekends, we don't always record like a full day's work. So you'd already seen what we did with the rubble. And then I'll go in and I'll show you real quick like what we did today. And then I'm actually going to be coming back. So this is actually 3 days worth of work that you guys are seeing in this video. But let me go ahead and get you turned around and show you what all we did for today. So we cleaned up around the well. We got some of the tree and like the little brush pile and stuff that was here. Tore down what was the well house. Obviously, Gladys has started a fire. Pyro, that's what we do, or that's what she likes to do. And then as you come over here to the shop, I got this cleaned up a lot more. The trash pile that was over here off to the side, basically where my coal bags are. And then I also took down that wall that was right there, kind of like a wall like that. It was a door at some point, but it was falling over. And then I've been coming through and just getting this organized. And I think I'm going to reutilize that tank. So I was going to use that as a big quench tank, but I think I'm going to go ahead and reutilize it as a hood that I can vent up to that hole. You guys tell me what you think down in the comments of if that is a good idea or if I should try using something else. So far we've been, piling up T-posts and stuff like that from the driveway here, and this is kind of like my keep junk pile. But as you come around over here, boom, we finally got to this little building project over here. We got this taken down, tore down, and all of that tin, all of that old rusted metal, that's what's been going on to the trailer, and we're going to take that to recycle. But as you can see, grass is growing, so I need to get to cutting some grass before it gets out of control. And yes, I have this whole area that goes to the road all together. That's probably, I don't know, acreage wise, I'd probably say half an acre. And then this whole area over here is probably close to another half. So altogether, it's roughly an acre that is cleared out of our 25, a little over 25 acres we have. And now I need to push mow all that because we don't have a riding mower yet. So, without further ado, let's get to working on getting some grass cut.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach.
So we'll need to figure something out with that. Yeah.
You talk a lot. Twitch it back to your face.
Anson says I talk a lot and that y'all should see me instead of looking at the beautiful rubble.
Yeah, I was just saying that if you're going to be talking a lot,
Look at you look so cute.
put it back onto your face so you're engaging the audience.
Nice. Oh, well. Let's see if I can. Here, release this hand of mine, please. Hi. Oh, I'm looking over there instead of over here. You see?
Told you,
This
it's always
is
to the
why.
right.
This is why I cannot do this, because I don't know where the camera is. I'll be talking over here like, hey, what is God is talking to?
That's okay. Your glasses are tinted enough they can't see your eyeballs anyway.
So, yeah. So, well, what do you think? Is that it for today?
Another day closer.
Another day closer. Yep.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
No. And hopefully it'll be built in less than 5 years. So, yeah. Oh, well. Until next time, guys. So, what do we always say, babe?
Remember to always thank a veteran.
At every chance you get. Not only on...
Only on Veterans Day.
That's all, guys.
There you go.
Bye. You go. Oh crap! It's still